Hi, welcome to AP Language Rhetorical Analysis. This is Ms. Thompson, and I will be your instructor this semester. When you open the course, you'll notice there are some sections in blue hyperlinked on the left side of the screen. Home, modules, discussions, grades, quizzes, and assignments. When you begin taking the course, you'll want to stay in this view, modules, to get the best overall view of the tasks and assignments that you need to complete. So I'm actually going to come over here to module 0 and come to this left arrow. I'm going to click my mouse here and close this module. I'm also going to come down to module 1 and close that one, and finally down to module 2. So as you can see, there are 3 modules in the course, and I'm going to open these back up so that I can show you how to navigate through those modules. There's a lot of important introductory information in Module 0, so I do want you to take the time to click through and read the course introduction overview, the syllabus, meet the teacher, technology tools, support and privacy policies, school statements and policies, the course Q&A discussion, the tutoring section, and finally, I want you to complete the Introduce Yourself introductory discussion. I do want you to take a moment to click on Technology Tools, Support, and Privacy Policies before you begin the course. There's some important information on this page about how to navigate the different tech tools that you're going to use in the course. If you've never used some of the technology and the software that you're going to see in this course, take a moment to scroll down the page, watch any of the videos that interest you or that cover a technology tool that you've never seen or never used before. Once you've had a moment to do that, you can move your mouse back over to the left side of the screen to click on Modules to come back to the view of the module. When you get to the bottom of Module 0, there is an introductory discussion. So please be sure to complete both parts of this assignment. In Part 1, you're going to introduce yourself, and in Part 2, you need to reply to 2 of your peers. If you click on the link, it's going to take you directly to Flip, where you will record your video. Now, in order to join the group in Flip, you're going to need to click on the link and use the join code. Back on the modules overview page, you'll see that if you scroll down, you come to Module 1, and everything under Module 1 will be completed within 1 week. So the first week of the course covers Module 1. During the second week of the course, you will work on Module 2. At the bottom of the page, Module 2 is during week 2. You'll notice that there are assessments and assignments within each module. Everything that you do in Module 1, Introduction to Rhetorical Analysis, will prepare you to write the essay in Module 2. In Module 1, you'll complete another discussion using Flip, and you'll learn some rhetorical analysis vocabulary that will help you write the essay. There'll be a Module 1 vocab quiz over that vocabulary, and then you're going to learn how to use 2 different types of graphic organizers. One is called a Space Cat graphic organizer, and another is called the left-right reading graphic organizer. You'll use both of these graphic organizers to help you break down a speech or performance and decide what you think the author is speaker is doing and what effect that has on you, the audience member. You'll complete an activity in Edpuzzle. You're going to watch a video, a College Board rhetorical analysis video, and you'll take a quiz over the content of that video. You'll also complete some questions within AP Classroom. And finally, at the end of Module 1, you will complete a summative assessment, which is going to be a constructed response paragraph. As you click on the assignments, you'll notice that each assignment does have a rubric associated with it. So if I click on this first Space Cat assignment and scroll down past the instructions and the video, you'll see that there is a rubric. Be sure that you read the rubric for each assignment to understand how you're going to be scored. After you complete all of the assignments and activities and quizzes in Module 1, you'll be ready to write your rhetorical analysis essay in Module 2. So down at the bottom of the page, Module 2, Writing About Rhetoric, again begins with a discussion, which again you will post in Flipgrid. And as always, be sure to reply to at least 2 of your peers. You'll then use the same 2 graphic organizers that you used in Module 1, the Space Cat graphic organizer and the left-right reading graphic organizer, to analyze an official College Board rhetorical analysis prompt. Finally, when you've analyzed the speech using both of those graphic organizers, you'll write your rhetorical analysis essay and you'll participate in peer review. This will be your summative assessment for the course. You'll receive a grade for the rhetorical analysis essay and for the peer review. And there are specific instructions for what you are expected to do at each stage of the peer review process. When you finish the course, if you would please complete the course evaluation at the bottom to give me some feedback about your experience